You asked? This is my low-calorie Velvetiser hot chocolate. Hi everyone, welcome to Black Cat Kitchen. I hope you're doing well. Mr. Editor has been absolutely in love with his Velvetiser from Hotel Chocolat. His favorite is salted caramel with whole milk, but it's also 340 calories per serving.
No! No! No!
Which makes it a special occasion treat. I've devised a recipe using 2 different kinds of milk to cut down those calories. The oat milk version is creamy and velvety and almost tastes like a liquid brownie. The skim milk version is just as delicious, but far fewer calories than the original. So let's jump in.
To 180 milliliters of oat milk, add 1 tablespoon of good quality cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of 0-calorie sweetener, a splash of vanilla, and just a sprinkling of salt. Give that a good mix all together before you pour it into your Velvetiser.
I'm using good quality cocoa powder in this recipe. It really gives your drink an amazing chocolatey kick. And I'm using a 0-calorie sugar substitute. You can use your favorite brand.
Once most of the cocoa is dissolved, pour the mixture into your Velvetiser, making sure not to go over the max line. And the same measurements for our lower calorie drink: 1 tablespoon of cocoa into 180 milliliters of skimmed milk, 1 tablespoon of 0-calorie sweetener, a splash of vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Stir it up and velvetize.
Our oat milk version comes in at 148 calories. That's half the calories of the original. It has an amazing chocolate brownie flavor. And our skim milk version, coming in at 108, is 1/3 of the original. It's a little bit less powerful, but still a perfect every night treat. If you want to learn how to make velvety hot chocolate using your Velvetiser and grated chocolate bars, click here. And to subscribe for more recipes, click here. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like this video and leave a comment down below with your favorite option. See you next time.